You've been given f of x equals log base 2 of x plus 3, and you've been asked a series of questions all dealing with domain and range. So that suggests that we need a sketch of log base 2 of x first. And so the log graphs are inverses of the exponentials. The exponential is drawn here in blue. So as we switch the x and y, we get log base 2 of x. And then we look at the transformation, x plus 3. So a negative 3 in the x would make this 0, so that means everything is moved over 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3 is our 0. And the asymptote is also moved over 3 to the left. And so this is the line x equals negative 3. And so as we redraw our graph, I'll draw this one in purple. We can see what log base 2 of x plus 3 looks like. And so as we think about our domain, we are only going to the right of x equals negative 3. So we would say x is greater than negative 3. And as we think about our range, well, we go up and down forever. So our range will be all real numbers. So now we look at our answer choices. Looks like A has a domain x is greater than negative 3 and a range all real numbers. None of the others can be true.